Yo, you ready? Yo, it's your boy LJ. It's your boy LJ.
On it, and then snap away. Nobody wants to constantly be hit. This game nowadays, everybody wants to be friendly, and nobody wants to have to deal with the physicality of it.
Right.
Bring football back to where it was at, being a physical sport.
All right, appreciate it.
Perfect.
Patience.
Better believe it. Every rep can be coached. You catching that ball and going out of bounds, so you catching that ball and scoring a touchdown. You know? Let's take a special dude that can take something to the house. Turn up, man. What route is that?
You gotta have a plan. You have to have a plan. It's a chess match. Look, he's taking y'all where y'all want to go. He's just literally guiding y'all, which is fine. Hey Tafari, I like it, baby. I like it. Keep doing it, cause they stink.
Y'all shaking hands?
Okay.
Good. Thank you. Good route.
Oh, quarterback! Put the ball outside, god doggy.
Dang it. Shit. Do something like that.
Right.
Hey, buddy. That's a good route. The only problem I got with you, what are you shaking his hand for? Huh? What friends? We ain't no friends out here, man. We ain't friends right now. Right now, we ain't friends. When this shit is over, we can chop it up. Right now, we ain't shaking no goddamn hand. That's the enemy. Bro.
Clip.
Do not throw that ball. I would not throw that ball.
Fari liking up everything.
Good. There it is. Look, when you are patient, you are great. Patient.
I think he was gonna do that.
Yeah, me too. I wasn't prepared for that.
Yo, Chris. After this, can we?
Back up.
7.
Nah. I want to throw in the boundary. That. Yeah. Yes, sir. The ball's not always in the middle of the field. Yo, Chris. My bad.
Tafari, don't get cooked, son.
Hustle in the building.
He's faster than Paige.
Don't even throw that shit.
You get walled down.
Oh, clipped! Ah! Yo.
You don't care. Stanley. Just shake your hand. You shook his hand too? Sure. I'm out, man. I'm out. Go. I'm out. I over here shaking hands and shit. Yo, you just bust my ass. Yeah, true. Hey, but it's alright.
Yo, Logan, you about to fry him?
What the? Ryan! Pick that shit up. That was
Yo, I'm next.
Yo, let's go. Stop, bro.
Hey, fucking yo.
God damn! Tyree, I want party.
Okay. Let me see something.
What was your hands?
You're both on inside the back and back.
The back is not your job. Excuse me. When we have man, corners, if the back release, it's none of your business. Who are you covering? Period.
All right.
Right now, he don't know what the coverage is. Look what he sees.
Coach, back up a little bit. Thank you.
Look what he sees. Now look, we getting over down. Go, it's different.
Shot.
Jump it. There we go, good. Excellent. Go get your reps. Do you understand that?
Go.
I would not tolerate shit like that. When we on this field, our eyes are up and we ready to play. They can snap the ball at any time. You got your hands on your knees looking at the ground. And if you can't deal with this, go the out this gate and go the home. Because we would not travel out of the New York City and play dumbass football.